Okay, here's a little demo of the battery powered Raspberry Pi stuff I've been playing about with for the last few days. One thing I noticed on the Raspberry Pi board, there's this gap here above the processor between the two ribbon cable slots, and if you take two AAA batteries in a standard battery case, it seems to fit pretty nicely in that slot just above the processor. The only problem is this lid of the ribbon cable adapter here, but if you remove that, as I've done on this board, you'll see the batteries just fit absolutely perfectly in that slot. And height wise, it's pretty much in line with the other connectors. So what you can do is, if you flip it around, you can attach this case to the lid of the Raspberry Pi case, and it leaves a little bit of room above the processor for airflow, and you can power the board off these two batteries. That's what I've done here. This is the lid of this case. As you can see, there's the same battery box, two AAA batteries in it. What happens is, whatever voltage the batteries give out, it's normally 2.5 volts because these are 1.25 volt rechargeables. That voltage goes into this voltage booster circuit. It's a 1402 based booster. It takes in between 1 and 4 volts, which even if these batteries are pretty much dead, it'll keep running. And it gives out nice clean 5 volts, 200 milliamps max, about 1 watt, which is pretty much okay for running a Model A Raspberry Pi. This takes about 100 milliamps, about half a watt. The Bluetooth adapter that I'm using with it takes about 50 milliamps. So overall, the board's running at between 150 and 200 milliamps. So this is absolutely fine for running the system. It feeds the 5 volts into the GPIO ports. It uses the top two pins. There's two 5 volts and a 0 volt. So if I plug it in, I can show you it running. There's a little rocker switch to control the power. I'll just check that. That's okay. And just snaps together. And if I switch it on, you can see power lights come on, and the green activity light should start flickering to show you it's running. Bluetooth is running. So that's working okay. I've tried a couple of different types of batteries just to see how long it runs. These rechargeable nickel metal hydrides, it runs for about 2 hours on those. I've tried alkalines. They're not so good because I think 100 milliamps is quite a lot of drain, so they run for about an hour. And I've tried lithiums. They're quite expensive, but it'll run for at least 3 hours on those, which is pretty good. It's good enough for the sort of stuff I want to do with this project. So there you have it, a kind of completely cable-free, portable, battery-powered Raspberry Pi.